All right, so on the quote-unquote Batmobile pallet jack, this board here is to hold the laptop. I used to just have these two front washers and then this one back piece that was way back and pretty loose, and so the laptop would shift around on it and move. So added a washer and a pin here, so now when it goes in, it slides in under those and under that, so it's held down in 3 spots, and then we put a pin here, so the pin goes right in there and it locks it in. Now the laptop can't go anywhere when the pallet jack's driving around. And then also on the pallet jack, now Jake has water spider cards where he can scan the barcode on it and it'll pull up the part in WASP, so it saves him a ton of time typing or searching through the database for the right part number when he goes to grab stuff for grocery. And so we put a scanner, mounted it onto the Batmobile here, so when he's riding it, he can pull his card right out of here, right up in front of the scanner, and it'll dink right into the computer there. And we ran the cord, so it's all nicely wrapped up in here, goes through the foam and right into the computer right there. And then we also put a code on it, so it's always on, so he doesn't have to reach down and do the trigger. It's always dim and looking for a barcode, and when it sees one, it gets bright and it scans it.